Hi, welcome to Advanced Digital Scope. Today we will discuss on-page SEO. I've already explained you all the important elements of on-page SEO. Let's start with the first element, which is content. Content is anything on your website which provides information or value to user. It consists of all the media elements your search engine can crawl and index to understand what your website is about. So in content, first of all comes the text in the form of articles or blogs or the news or information you are providing in the form of text. Second is images, videos, infographic, charts that you provide on your web page or alongside the text, so your user can understand it better. Some users they prefer infographic images or videos rather than reading long text. It can help to improve the visibility of your content, and they might have more interest in these elements. So we recommend that you should always use images or possibly videos or infographic if you have to support your text. And another important element you can include in your content is interactive maps, quizzes, or calculators, or question and answer segment that keeps the interest of your users, so they are going to stay longer on your website or web page. In that context, I would say whether it is a text, it is infographic, images, or video, whatever you want to put on your website or web pages, two things are very important. First thing is quality of your content, and if we talk about the quality of your content, first thing is if you are writing a text, articles or news or information you are providing, it should be grammatically right, so the user get the right meaning of it. Second thing is important, you should check the plagiarism. You should not do copy and paste things. Users or the search engines, they not gonna like it, obviously. Sometimes the search engine obviously put your content in spam if it is plagiarized, copy and paste. So that is very important thing. The other important thing is the relevancy of your content, which is very important. So if you are offering your content in such a way that users can use that information or benefit that information, whether it is an article, news, or it is a product you're offering or the services you're offering, so it should be relevant. You should not be misleading or misguiding your user or the search engines. So two things are very important: the quality of your content and the relevancy of your content is very important. So let me explain you how you can make it in a actionable framework, which we use it and we call it EAT, EEAT. And let me explain you one by one what the EEAT is. First of all, we consider E, experience. Does the author have a first-hand life experience about the topic? That is a very important thing. So we should be mentioning it at the very top. The users and the search engines give a lot of value to it. Second thing is expertise. whether the content is accurate and written by someone who has understanding and the knowledge. Third thing is authoritativeness, which refers to your knowledge as a content writer, and understanding of specific topic to explain it in great detail. If, for example, you have digital marketing qualification and experience, you may have competencies to write and provide training about digital marketing strategies, isn't it? And it's and then you can actually relate that and integrate that into your business operations. That gives you the authority over the digital marketing aspect, but in the same way it will not give you or it will not provide you the authority over a stock market. So that is very important thing to consider. If you are a digital marketing expert, you are talking about digital marketing, then the user would likely engage with your content, considering that you have the qualification and experience and expertise in that field. But if you start talking about the stock market and other things which you don't have the qualification or expertise, your user will not like it. Obviously that will make your content very weak. So if other people link your site, it creates authority and confidence in your work and expertise. So I would strongly recommend that if you are talking about the specialty in your market or niche you are talking about, so you should have the authority, your qualification or expertise. Otherwise people may come on your website, read your content, but bounce back. That gives you a very bad reputation. And last important element of it is trustworthiness. That earns you the actual value, and what you call it, that builds the perception, or that builds the brand actually, the trustworthiness, which is about the credibility, accuracy and transparency of your content, and how much users may trust your content. Believe me, if a user establish, or you are able to establish trust with your user and your reader, it gives you a lot of advantage in a long term. It is about fact presentation with evidence and citing if it is possible. Security is also a factor in your site or content, so users don't get scammed and feel unsafe while visiting your web page. So besides all these elements, the security is I'm mentioning it in the end, but it is the most important element. If your website is not secure and the users get scam, or any information is leaked, then it will give you a very bad reviews and very bad reputation. So it is very important, whatever your content, it should be secure. And the important thing, after you write your content, please check the density, keyword density. Use less than 5%, or I would say keep it 3%. That is the standard, and that will help you keep your user busy and happy about your content. Don't don't stuff the keywords in your text or whatever content you are putting. Let's say you are using for example, you're writing 100 lines or you're writing 500 words, then you can mention the keywords few times in each paragraph, I would say, but do not stuff keywords in every single line. That will frustrate the user. You can use the synonymous, for example, in let's say you are using a digital marketing a keyword, then you can use similar words, so the keyword density should stay low. And I already mentioned about the plagiarism. There should not be any plagiarism in your content. It should be grammatically right, spellings should be right, and if you are using the AI content, use it very carefully, and use all tags for your images. Second important element of on-page SEO is keyword research. Keyword research are the words or phrases a researcher uses to find relevant information about his query or question. Without the keyword research, doesn't matter how important or how good your content is, nobody is going to find your content, because you haven't used the proper term which with the researchers or the searchers are using to find the relevant information they are looking for. So there are 4 types of keywords a user or the researcher can use. One is first one is informational keywords, which is query or question. For example, how to make a coffee or tea. That is, in that case, the researcher is looking to find the answer, looking for information. So this is called informational keywords. Second is navigational keywords. They are specific or directional keywords. The first case, I mentioned that because a researcher is looking for just how to make a coffee or tea. And the second case, navigational keywords, it will probably be searching like Starbucks coffee. A specific direction, a specific keywords he is using. That is called navigational keywords. Third, keywords can be commercial keywords. They have the business intent. For example, best coffee nearby, or the best pizza near me, for example. The fourth one could be transactional keywords. They are usually actionable words. Buy coffee beans online. That shows the customer is not looking for information or is not navigating only, but it is ready to do the transaction. We can say that in the modern digital world, keyword research has evolved from simply finding words to mapping intent. For example, artificial intelligence, it can tell you what people are typing or looking for, and why, and what problems they are trying to solve. According to SimilarWeb, it highlights that keywords represent user questions and your content should be the answer. So we can say that keyword research helps you create the right content for the right people at the right time. Increases your chances of ranking and driving organic traffic to your website. How to use keywords effectively? We would recommend that use 2 or 3 keywords for each keyword research, and try to use different keywords for each website pages. There are 2 important elements. One is called keyword prominence and other is keyword proximity. Let me explain you briefly. Keyword prominence refers to how noticeable a keyword is to search engine, and ideally the most important words should appear in the most important places. You can use the keywords in titles, headers, or initial or opening paragraphs. For example, hashtag, meta titles, and you can also use the keywords in URL structure, having keywords in the web addresses as well. For example, www.advanceddigitalmarketing.com/SEO training, which is called a slug that can be changed in coding with the help of developer. The other the thing is keyword proximity. So that shows that how close are the keywords in a phrase. Now, please keep them close. For example, digital marketing services, rather than saying our marketing focus on digital method for a better strategy. And more importantly, you use the keywords. They are starting a point where what you call them root keywords or seed keywords. They are the short and most basic building block of your search strategies. They are usually 1 or 2 words long and represent the broader possible category of what you do. For example, coffee or coffee beans, they are 2 words, very competitive, very generic. So instead you can use dark color Asian coffee beans or coffee beans for coffee lovers. You can say the best organic coffee beans for espresso. Similarly, digital marketing is a very generic keyword. Instead you can use advanced digital marketing with artificial intelligence integration, or learn digital marketing with new techniques. In the end, you can use the long tail keywords. What they are, let me explain you that. They are phrases usually consist of 3+ words used by users when they specifically know what they are looking for. For example, best digital marketing program for small businesses. They have low search volume, low competition, but high conversion rates. For example, the head term digital marketing, and you can make it as a long tail keyword saying affordable digital marketing tools for small businesses. So the most important thing in keyword research, let me summarize that, is mentioning your category. You know what business you are in. That is very important. You can use synonymous words. You can also use superlative words as well. Please remember to check the volume and the monthly traffic for the keywords, and then also check the competition. Choose low competition keywords, and the most important thing is check the relevancy. That is the most important thing, and the trend as well. You can use Google Keyword Planner or SEMrush or other tools to find the suitable keyword research for your business. What is meta tag? Meta tag is a small snippet describing your content. It is an HTML element which specifies the name of specific web page. It appears on the top of a search engine result page. Describe a brief summary of your content or your web page. It is the best place to put your keywords so that whenever a researcher goes on your website, or goes on the search engine and type the keywords, and your website appears on the search engine result pages, and with the name, with the URL will come first, and the second thing which come on the search engine result page is it is a meta title or a meta tag that briefly tells about your content. So if that is interest to user or the researcher, it will definitely open your website, and you're gonna get the traffic straight away from there. For search engine is the best place to put your keyword prominence. So you should place keywords at the beginning of your meta title. It is the first thing a user sees in the search results. For example, 10 best digital marketing courses for small businesses, or 7 proven SEO tips to increase your web traffic in 2020 by Advanced Digital Scope. They are the meta titles. They are normally 60 characters or maximum 70 characters. So a meta title, please remember, it goes in your source code, and your developer has to do that. And you can use different tools actually, like to the web, to find your meta title. Meta description. Meta description, it is a short summary of your content that comes after the meta title. It is the best opportunity for you to tell the user or the researcher what your content is about. It is usually consists of 150 or 160 characters, where you can provide the summary like an ad, telling the user what your content is about. And this is the best place to engage with users and researchers. So if if the users find it very interesting and relevant to you, to their search, they are going to click that immediately, and you will get the web traffic just by having attractive meta description. I would recommend use keywords and call to action phrases like learn more, read our step-by-step guidance, or shop the collection. Every page on your website should have a unique, compelling meta description. Don't copy and paste the same across the whole website. Don't write anything misleading in the description. So when a user goes on your web page and finds nothing relevant to your meta description, or nothing important or worth reading or paying more attention. Headings, they are called header tags or hashtag. They are HTML element, describe the structure of your content. The hashtags or header tags, they tell search engine and readers how your content is structured or laid out, like a table of content. Hashtags are normally from H1 to H6. They provide the relationship about the topics. H1 is main tag and most important, which should represent the main topic of your page. And there is only one H1 tag for each page, which tells search engine this what the entire page is about. H2 to H6 further break down the content into major thematical blocks, making it scannable to humans, and also help search engine to understand primary subtopics. Search engines can easily index your content when it is organized and highly structured. and improve user experience. Headlines are great places to stuff your secondary keywords in a natural way. So H1 could be like a guide to baking a bread. H2 can be written as choose your ingredients. So H3 can be importance of flour quality. H4 could be choosing the right yeast, and heading 5 could be the baking process. So headlines tell the readers about main topic of your web content. Image optimization. Image optimization is the process of reducing the file size of an image and providing descriptive metadata, so the search engine can load fast and can understand what the image is about, because search engine cannot see the image as a human see, so they need data you provide to understand the context. Apparently, high resolution images are huge files and take time to upload, which reduces page uploading time. So page speed is crucial for user experience, and if it is slow down, then it would definitely frustrate the users and might give you a very high bounce rate. So you can use the compression tools like tiny png or special plugins to shrink the files before you upload, or you can use webpro or avif which are better than jpeg or png. So you must use alt text or alternative text, which is a short description of image used by the screen readers. Next is rename your file before uploading the image. And please remember that alt text is not a way to stuff keywords, as a search engine would likely to know object in image using its AI. If alt text says best digital marketing training, but you use a photo of a building, which leads to flag your content as low quality. Always describe the image accurately, then include a keyword naturally. Modern website building tools have inbuilt SEO feature to change image format and reduce the file size, like Wix and Shopify. So don't worry about it. URL optimization. URL optimization defines the protocol and tells the browser exactly how to reach a file on the internet. URL optimization focus on improving the format structure and clarity of URL, so they communicate the relevance and improve the crawlability for the search engine. URL act like street address for your web page, helping both human and search engine understand where they are and what the page contains. So use clear and descriptive slug in your URL. Keep the URL short and readable. Use hyphen instead of underscore, because hyphen separate words in a way search engine prefer. Maintain a logical site structure. HTTPS is a very important element. It signals a secure connection, and it could be a very important ranking factor as well. So URL optimization, it reinforces keyword relevance, it improves user experience, it helps crawler and indexing. It supports long-term SEO stability. So there are some examples you can note, obviously. Internal links and external links. Internal links and external links are roadways and highways of internet, which help users find content and tell search engine which pages are important. Internal links open in within the same domain, and external links they open in a new domain or a new website. As I mentioned earlier, internal links open within same domain to help user to navigate your site and see a clear information hierarchy. Uh, so search engine bots crawl on these established links to discover new pages on your site. If any of your page is not linked to established link, it may not be indexed and ranked. And external links they open in a new domain or website. They provide context and back up your claim with authoritative sources. For example, linking it to new study or new outlets. It builds trust and credibility of your site as a search engine count external link as a wider network of your site content and rank them accordingly. They also help your site to get backlinks when other people in the industry notice your site. So use a descriptive anchor text. It is clickable hyperlink, often in blue color, serve as a label that tells both user and search engines what destination page is about. Please avoid writing click here. Instead, use keywords that describe the target page. For example, you can write down guide to search engine marketing. Don't overdo, and always check for broken links so users don't get the error 404 page. Open external links in a new tab. This keeps your site open in the background so user wouldn't leave your site entirely.